Hello everyone. So now in this video we will see about the select all command. So basically with the help of select all command you can just select all the element of the similar property in a single click. So let me show you how. So as you can see here I have just drawn a few elements on the screen, right? So let me select this wall. See, I have just selected this outer wall and I just wanted to select all the wall of the similar property which are present here. Uh, so for that I will just type a command SA select all. So SA I will type on this keyboard. Then you can see all the wall which are of similar property are get selected, right? So in similar way, if I just wanted to select this wall, basically I just wanted to select all the wall of this property which are present here. So for that I will just type SA. See, all the walls of this property are get selected in a single click, right? So if you just wanted to delete or apply anything, so you can just do that. So now let me show you for this door. See, I have just taken this door at three locations. M single flush door. You can see this one, and this one is also M single flush door, and this one also is a M single flush. So for that, if I just wanted to select all the door in a single click, so I will type SA. So you can see all the door are selected. Let me show you. If I just click on the delete option, see all the door are deleted in a single click. Now let me make it undo. Now if you can see here, I have just drawn the window here and on this wall and here on this wall. So if I just wanted to select this window in a single click, then I will just type command SA. So you can see all the windows are selected. Let me show you by just by deleting one. See, I just click on delete and all the window are deleted in a single click. So in this way, you can just select all any element of similar properties, right, with SA command.